Yesterday evening, I was quite surprised to see that none other than Bernadette Banner started to sew her own version of the Holly Jolly Mary Poppins dress. And well, her attempt is to make a historic accurate dress from the Edwardian period or early 20th century. My attempt is to make a modernized version of this dress with some historic elements, and you already saw my mock-up videos, the blouse that I bought out on Tuesday and the full circle skirt with pleats. These are my mock-ups for the final design, and while watching Bernadette's video I get a little bit inspired to add some lace and to move the dress cuff a bit. But let's see what my final design will look like. Today we are going to make this corset belt. It's a simplified version from the Mary Poppins corset belt from the movie and combined with some TikTok trends. And I hope you like it. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see your own corset belt and hop on the corset trend. And if you want to support my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. So let's make the corset belt. You need your waistline and add 2 centimeters for the length and 12 centimeters for the height. I chose 2 fabric leftovers for the belt, 1 thicker one and 1 viscose. If you choose a lighter fabric, please make sure to iron in some interfacing to give it some structure and stability. For deboning, I choose the cotton ribbon, and it's a pretty fast way to insert your boning. Let me know in the comments below if you have questions about this corset belt or topics that you want to see in future videos of mine. And if you want to support my channel, I'm very happy if you click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. And for now, see you in my next project. Bye!